Welcome to QuickBerry, your trusted platform for intelligent and reliable SMS communication. In this video, we'll walk you through how to configure your sender ID, create templates, launch campaigns, and track your message performance seamlessly. Let's start with the SMS module overview. To log into the SMS portal, go to app.quickberry.ai. Enter your username and password, and you'll be logged into the QuickBerry SMS platform. Click on SMS Messaging from the left-hand menu. This will open the main dashboard. On the dashboard, you can easily track your message count for today, yesterday, this week, last week, this month, and last month. This will provide a clear snapshot of your messaging activity and trends. Next, let's configure your sender ID. Go to the main menu and click on Sender. Then select Add Sender ID. Choose the sender type, whether transactional or promotional. Enter your 6-character sender ID, add your company name, and include your DLT entity ID from your DLT portal. Once all details are entered, click Save to submit your approved header. After verification, your sender ID will be active and ready for use in all your messaging campaigns. Now, let's move on to creating an SMS template. From the main menu, navigate to the Template section and click on Add Template. Select your sender ID, then choose the service type, whether service implicit, service explicit, or transactional. Next, enter your template name, template ID, and paste your approved message content. If your message includes variables, use placeholders in this format: 1, 2, and so on. Once all details are filled in, click Save. After approval, your template will be ready to use in all your campaigns. From the main menu, navigate to the Campaigns section and click on Add Campaign. Start by giving your campaign a name, for example, Testing Campaign. Next, select your sender ID, followed by the template. All your DLT-approved templates will appear in the drop-down for easy selection. You'll now find 3 options for adding your recipient list. Quick Campaign. Paste mobile numbers manually. Bulk Upload. Upload an Excel sheet with contacts and variables. The first column for contact numbers, followed by variable columns like var1, var2, etc. Multi-broadcast. Send the same message in multiple languages. For multi-broadcast, your Excel should include columns for phone number, message type, implicit or explicit, message content, sender ID, and DLT template ID. For this demo, let's create a quick campaign. Paste the contact numbers manually. If your data doesn't include the country code, simply enable the Doesn't Add Country Code option. Add any sample variables as needed. You'll also notice 3 additional settings. Schedule option. Choose a specific date and time for your campaign. Send flash message. Instantly deliver on-screen messages. Remove duplicate numbers. Automatically filter repeated contacts. Once done, click on Preview Campaign. Here you can review all key details: sender ID, DLT template ID, message length, and total recipients. Finally, click on Run Campaign. Your campaign will now start sending, and the status will show as In Progress. After refreshing, you'll be able to view real-time delivery updates. To see complete insights, click the eye icon under the Actions column. This gives you a full overview of your campaign's performance. To check the overall campaign details, navigate to the Messages section from the main menu. Here, you'll get a detailed overview of all the numbers included in your campaign, along with their delivery status, message content, and timestamp. This section gives you complete visibility into how your campaign performed in real time. Next, let's look at how to generate detailed reports for your campaigns. Click on the Reports section from the main menu, then select Add Report, enter the report name, for example, Report January. Now choose the report type. You can generate either an SMS summary report or a raw detailed report. If you select the SMS summary report, simply choose the From Date and to Date and click Generate Report. If you choose the raw detailed report, select the date range, then choose the fields, sender ID, and apply filters such as status or phone number for precise insights. Once submitted, your report will appear on the main reports page with the status marked as pending. As soon as it's processed, it will be available for download, giving you a complete breakdown of your campaign performance. To check the detailed usage of your campaigns, go to the Usage History section from the main menu. Here, you can view a day-wise breakdown of your SMS consumption, including total billable credits used, total number of delivered and undelivered units. This section helps you track overall campaign performance and monitor credit utilization efficiently. And that's it! You're now ready to create, send, and monitor SMS campaigns effortlessly with QuickBerry.